Hello, hello. Right, so I wanted to go through this question that I was doing with a group of students last night. And it's a tricky question, and we came up with different answers. So this is a grade 5 question, and it's worth 3 marks. And you can see it's a 6 marker in total because this was part B of the question. So the question says factorise fully. So you have to factorise fully to get all 3 marks. And we've got this great big expression going on here. So x plus y all squared, all that means is x plus y multiplied by itself, x plus y, plus x plus y multiplied by 2x plus 5y. Now, there is a long way and there is a short way. So I'm going to do the longer way first, but it doesn't matter which way you use, whichever you're more comfortable with will get you the right answer. So let's expand the brackets. This is the long way. Most people see brackets. What do we do with them? Get rid of them, expand them. So expanding double brackets, there's the FOIL method, there's the grid method, there's a cover-up method. There are loads of methods, so you choose which method suits you. So I'm just very quickly going to do the FOIL method. So x times x is x squared. X times y and x times y, we've got 2 lots of x times y. And then y times y is y squared. There it is. Again, x times 2x is 2x squared. X times 5y is 5xy, and then we've got another 2xy, so we've got 7xy in total. And finally, y times 5y is 5y squared. Brilliant. Now we can simplify like terms, things that have got the same letter and the same power. So how many x squareds have we got? 3x squared. And then how many xy's have we got? We've got 2 there and we've got 7 there. So we've got 9xy, and then we've got y squared there and a 5y squared there. So we've got 6y squareds. Right. Now, hopefully you can kind of see we've got an x squared, an xy and a y squared. So it's factorising it back now into double brackets. Okay, so I want 3x squared. Again, there's different ways of doing it from here, and I'm sure you might know a better way of doing it, but I'm going to do it like this. So 3 is a prime number, so it's got to be 3 and 1. So 3x times x is 3x squared. Okay, so I've got my 3x squared. I need my 6y squared at the end. So I know it's going to be y and y. Now let's have a little think. If I do x is 3x squared, and then 3x times y is 3xy. I need another 6xy, so I know that's going to go there. And because it's all positive, easy peasy, positive, positive. Check it. 3x squared, yep. 3xy plus 6xy is 9xy, yep. And then 6y times y is 6y squared. Done. Okay, now that's going to get you 2 marks, and that's where a lot of people might stop. So hopefully now you can see if I can factorize that first bracket. So what's the highest common factor of 3 and 6? Well, it's 3, so I can take out a common factor of 3, and I'm left with x in there because 3 times x is 3x, and I'm left with a plus 2y. 3 times 2 is 6y, and I've still got my second bracket. So that is my final answer to get me all 3 marks. So not easy. Okay, I'm going to show you the quicker way now, well, slightly quicker way. It just kind of cuts out one of those lines. So back to the question again. Right, again, I'm going to write it out in full. X plus y and x plus y plus x plus y and 2x plus 5y. Line there. Okay, right. Now think about it. Is there a common factor, common expression, common bracket to both of these expressions? Yes, there is. X plus y and x plus y is common to both. So I'm going to write that here. So when you're factorising normally, that goes in front of your bracket. And then everything else goes inside my bracket. So I've got an x plus y left, and I've got a 2x plus 5y left over here. And now I can just simplify. Okay, so I'm going to leave my x plus y here in front because that's my common factor. And then I'm going to simplify inside this big bracket. So I've got x plus 2x is 3x. And I've got y plus 5y is 6y. Now we're back to where we were at the end now. So here's our 2 marks. And we need to factorise that last bracket. So I'm going to leave the x plus y there. Take out my common factor of 3. So it's x plus 2y. And then when I write it on my answer line, I'm going to put the 3 first. Doesn't matter, but it's just good housekeeping in maths. X plus y and x plus 2y. So if you can ask your teacher for more questions like that, definitely worth practicing.